Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Corvette C8 Coupe 2LT with Z51. This one is painted in torch red with a jet black interior. As we make our way to the back, you can see the rear hood is open. And being the coupe, you do have the glass here, so you can see the engine bay. And then speaking of the engine bay, it's right here behind the passenger compartment. It's a 6.2 liter V8 that produces 495 horsepower. It's paired to the 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, as all C8s are. As we move back here, we got the rear trunk and we have the removable roof in the trunk, and it is carbon fiber, so it's nice and light, and it's also painted body color. When the roof is not in the car and it's on the car, you gain all this trunk space, and you can, Jim claims, you can fit 2 golf bags back here, as well as other shopping items. We'll go ahead and close that. It's got the soft close. We'll zoom out here so you can see the roof off. There you are. It's got the rear camera mirror. There it is there. And then here's your glass, and there's your engine. And look how cool that is there. So everyone can see your engine. Coming back here, you can see the carbon flash Stingray, so the badge pack. We have the high wing on this car, and it is color matched with the body, with the carbon flash posts. Down below, we have the NPP performance exhaust that comes with the Z51 package. That allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet, or vice versa. And you can do that ongoing as you're driving the car inside the cabin. Pretty cool feature. Okay, making our way to the wheels. We got the carbon flash metallic 5 open spoke wheel with the machined outer edge, and then the bright red brake calipers. Being the Z51 package, you get the performance brakes with that as well. And we got Michelin tires all the way around the car. 305 30 ZR20 in the rear. Okay, making our way to the front. You see the wheels the same, and the brakes are actually larger in the front. On those bright red calipers, they do say Corvette and Z51 on them, so pretty cool there. We have a 245 35 ZR19 in the front, so a nice staggered wheel size. Okay, making our way to the door panel. We got the all black door panel with a nice gray stitching. It's like a baseball stitch. The Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory package for the passenger, power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Show you the dash on this side here. You can see the gray stitching continues there. I'll open the glove box. You can see it's got the owner's manual in there. Going to the door jambs, they're nice and tidy. Kick plate looks amazing on this side. The jambs are nice and shiny and clean. We got the carpeted floor mats here. Then we got the 8-way power seats, so you got power bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. So you can see it's got the upgraded Alcantara inserts. And these are the GT2 seats. So you can see it has the exposed carbon fiber there, as well as the carbon fiber backing. The Corvette flags in the headrest there, with the suede edge there. And we got the seat belt loops there. Nice upgrade for the with the GT2 seats. All right, making our way to the center section. You can see the window there, so you can see the engine compartment. We have the speaker grill in the center there, and then the wireless charging station for your cell phone. We got a nice 70-year badge there right in the speaker grill, being the 23 model. And making our way to the rear here, you can see the rear spoiler, and it is again painted body color with the sides, and then the carbon flash post there. It really stands out. Making our way to the front now, you can see those black seats. We got the red side mirrors, and then coming down here, you can see the paint is nice and shiny. We got a 70-year badge here. All right, and then making our way to the front here, you can see it's got LED headlights. They're nice and bright. We'll see them on in a bit. Then we got the front splitter here. It's painted carbon flash. I'll feel down here, and I don't feel any rubbing or rash, so that's good news. We got the front cameras on both sides here. We got the front open, the trunk. So underneath here, nice and tidy. Down below, nice and clean. We got the organizer with the cargo net here. It's got the front plate cover there, so nice and deep in here, so you can put some luggage. We've got the 12-volt socket here, coolant ad, and then the windshield wiper ad there. Let's close this lid here. Step back a bit, and we'll walk into the paint now. You can see it's really shiny, nice and bright. This car has been 5-stage polished by our team already, so it's looking spectacular and it's ready to go. I also noticed that we have a paint protective film on the front here, on the front bumper, or any stone chips. It might happen along the way. I'm just feeling here. I just feel the bumper for now, but there could be more up front. Here's your front wheel there. And then your rear wheel. You can see they look great. They look like brand new. All right, making our way to back to the door panel. So, gray stitching continuing. The Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory packs for the driver. You got power mirrors. You got power folding mirrors. I'll hit that so you can see it function. Come back out again. Then we got blind spot monitoring there. You got your power windows, power locks, electronic door release, front and rear trunk. Dash on this side here. There's your heads-up display slot. It does have heads-up. Back to the jams, nice and clean. Kick plate looks wonderful on this side as well. Very nice. And then down here you got the pedals, carpeted floor mats, your 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the GT2 seat on the driver's side here with the Alcantara inserts. So it looks great. All right, let's hop in the car now. We'll start over here. We got the vents, so nice HVAC system here. The heads-up display controls. Down below we have your electronic parking brake, and then we got dash dimming lights here. Power tilt and telescopic steering wheel here. Then up on the wheel we get your headlight controls. You got paddle shifters on both sides. Z button takes you to your performance pages. And we got cruise settings, audio on both sides here. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, your arrow keys over here. Windshield wipers on this control here. And we got a push button start, so we'll fire that up. And we'll zoom out here so you can see it's got the Alcantara upgraded steering wheel all the way around with the black leather center point. So you got the flat top, the flat bottom, got the bump outs here, and the Corvette flags in the center of the horn. Coming into the digital dash, mileage we have 2,914 kilometers, so under 3,000 kilometers. Making our way up here, we got in the visor we have the universal garage door opener. Here's your rear camera mirror. Flip that there so you can see you can use it as a regular mirror if you like. It is light sensitive as well. I just find that helps with the vision. Okay, coming down to the 8-inch touchscreen. We have some icons here I'll go over. We got performance data recorder. We got your climate controls here. Front camera, I'll hit that there. So there's your front of your car, your side angles. Back home again. Zoom to the front, we got factory nav. So there you are there. And then we got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll throw it in reverse so you can see it's got reverse camera as well. You can see the picture quality is nice and crisp. Coming down here with the 8 automatic transmission controls here. It's a push-pull design. M uses those, puts it into the mode so you can use those paddle shifters. Over here we got traction control and front camera button. Then you got your mode selector here, so it's a dial underneath. Then we'll come back into the dash and I'll turn that dial. Start at the beginning, so you got weather mode. You got my mode, so you can customize that one. You got tour mode, sport mode, and track mode. So every time you turn that, it changes the function. Also changes the function here for steering, engine shift feel, brake feel, and engine sound. Okay, coming down here, we got the tower. So you got your climate controls all in there. You got dual zone climate control, and you got heated and ventilated seats as well. And then over here, we got your dual cup holders. Oh. And then we got your console cover here. We'll open that up. Put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is. And then we got USB and auxiliary here. All right, let's open this door up now. Turn on the headlights and let's give it a couple revs. So right now it's in sport mode, so that means the valves are open, so it's in the louder mode. So we'll go ahead and do it again. And one more time for good luck. All right, that sounds wonderful. Let's make our way to the front of the car. Show you those headlights on. And you get a full glimpse of the car here. Nice bright red torch paint, iconic Corvette color. And look at this shine on this car. They look so great after their 5-stage polish here. And even better when you take it out in the sun. Wing looks great on this car, really gives it that exotic look. Those bright LED tail lights, and listen to that exhaust at idle. Okay, so here we have it. This is a 2023 Corvette C8 Coupe 2LT with Z51 and high wing. This one is painted in torch red with jet black interior. It's here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.